Oh man! Hey, you were supposed to get the 30-incher. Oh, look at that guy. 2024 has come and gone. It is the middle of January and 25 already, and I have not yet erased my highlight board for my 24 results. Oh, one of the best years I've had for walleye sizes. Anyway, let's take a look. The first fish I caught in 2024 was a perch, then a largemouth bass, black crappie, walleye. Walleyes, 29 inches. Top three, I got a 29, 27 and a half, 26 and a half. Crappies you'll see topped out at 14 inches. Couldn't get one bigger than that. Perch at 11 and 3/4. Largemouth bass were all pretty small. Catfish had some big cats. Drum had some really big drum. Channel. Oh, look, he's got a nice tumor. Whoa. Woo. Channel cat. I caught my most ever flatheads. Some nice white bass. A couple of decent smallies. My wife got a few walleyes, but not too many. Then I had some bluegills that were small. A couple sawguys, yellow bass, rock bass to top off the year. The people I took out with me did really well in 2024 for walleyes. Top 5 walleyes, 26 and a half, 26 and a quarter, 25 and 3/4, 25 and a half, 23 and 3/4. Of course, the drum were big for me. They were big for my guests too. A 28 and a 1/4 inch drum. Channel cat topped out at 27 and white bass 15 and a 1/4. 2024, we had some quality fish. If you paid for a guide trip with me, we averaged 27 fish per outing. Join me in 2025. I got some new fish to put on already for 2025. My first 3 fish of 2025 were walleyes. Then I got into some bluegills just recently, and that'll make the board. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe, watch my other videos. Check out my spinning on the ice video. Check out my short vanilla ice fishing. I wrote a song. 2025 has begun. I'll start guiding again when the ice is off on the river.